Creating a visually stunning indoor space with plants doesn't just boost aesthetics, it fosters a serene, natural atmosphere that helps elevate any home. Let's dive deep into some of the most captivating indoor decor ideas with plants that will transform your living space, no matter its size or style. Whether you're looking to introduce subtle greenery or want to go all out with a plant-centric theme, these ideas are designed to inspire. 1. Statement plant in the living room. Start by adding a bold statement plant to your living room. The perfect contender? Tall plants like a fiddle-leaf fig, bird of paradise, or a rubber plant. Their broad, lush leaves instantly draw attention and serve as a focal point in any living area. Place the plant near a window where it can receive ample indirect sunlight. Pair it with a decorative pot that complements your furniture or color scheme, and you've set the tone for a green, lively space. Remember, the pot choice can make or break the look. Go for something ceramic for a modern touch or a woven basket for a more rustic vibe. 2. Cluster of mini plants on shelves. If you're working with smaller plants, consider clustering them on your shelves. Mix and match succulents, cacti, and tiny ferns in varying heights, shapes, and colors to add visual intrigue. This method is perfect for small apartments or minimalistic spaces where you don't want one large plant taking over. A collection of mini plants can act as a living art display on your bookshelf or floating shelves. Use mismatched pots for a quirky look or stick to a monochrome palette for a cleaner, cohesive design. Floor plants for corners. Corners are often overlooked when it comes to home decor, but they're perfect for housing medium to large indoor plants. Plants like the rubber tree, parlor palm, or monstera can make a corner come to life. Opt for plants that grow tall rather than wide to fill the vertical space without overwhelming the room. If you're working with a small area, place the plant in a sleek pot that fits snugly into the corner. It's a great way to utilize dead space and turn it into something visually striking. Create a plant-filled reading nook. If you have a reading nook or an empty corner, fill it with plants to create a peaceful retreat. Start by adding a few tall plants like a dracena or fiddle-leaf fig in one corner, then layer smaller plants on side tables or the windowsill. This natural environment is perfect for unwinding with a good book. To enhance the cozy feel, throw in some cushions and a soft blanket, creating a tranquil reading haven where you're surrounded by nature. Windowsill gardens. Don't let your windowsills go to waste. Windowsill gardens are perfect for areas with lots of natural light. Line up a selection of succulents, cacti, or small flowering plants on the windowsill for a minimal yet impactful green touch. This method works particularly well in kitchens, bathrooms, or living rooms, where the sun's rays can nourish your plants throughout the day. 13. Grouping plants for visual impact. When it comes to plant decor, grouping plants together can have a dramatic effect. Instead of spreading plants around the room, gather them in clusters based on height, color, and texture. Grouping plants helps create a mini indoor jungle that looks deliberate and stylish. For maximum impact, place taller plants like fiddle leaf figs or palm trees at the back, and shorter ones like calatheas or pothos at the front. You can even add hanging plants to the mix for extra dimension. 14. Use decorative plant stands. Don't forget to give your plants a lift with stylish plant stands. Plant stands come in various materials and designs, from modern metallic stands to rustic wooden ones. Elevating your plants on stands adds variety to the room's visual flow, making it more dynamic and layered. Plant stands work especially well in rooms where you want to showcase your greenery but don't want to take up too much floor space. They also help create an intentional look, framing your plants as true decorative pieces. Ladder plant displays. Ladder shelves are a trendy and space-efficient way to display plants. You can place multiple plants of different sizes on each step, creating a cascading effect of greenery. The best part is that you can move the ladder shelf from room to room as needed, making it a versatile decor element. Ladder displays work beautifully in living rooms, bathrooms, or entryways, providing both functionality and style. 16. Combining art with plants. Why not